The M3 scrubber comes with magnetic pad drivers. These are 8-inch pad drivers that you can put any 8-inch daily maintenance pad on. We also offer 8-inch magnetic brushes. The fill tank is located on the back of the machine. You can just pop it off, remove the rubber seal, and fill up with water or a mix of water and cleaning solution. Once it's full, you just snap it back on. The recovery tank, located on the front of the machine, is where your dirty water will go. Once it fills up, you pop it off. You can empty it through the rubber seal on the front, or you can empty it through the rubber seal on the top. You want to make sure the dirty water doesn't get above the max fill line before you empty it. Once you empty it, simply snap it back on. This is to activate, turn on the scrubber. Here's your water control. To turn that on, you'll click once. If you want to increase the amount of water, you'll click it again once it's blinking and you know you have full water. This is to activate your pads, and this is to activate the squeegee suction. This is to increase or decrease your pad speed. If I want to slow my pads down, I'll lower it. If I want to increase them, I'll raise it. To charge the M3, simply plug it into the back of the scrubber. When the battery indicator's orange, that means it is charging. Once it turns green, you're ready to go.